What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4 error, how to fix the PS4 error CE-36329-3 system software update. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. You go to the settings and then scroll down. Here we are at the system software update. You just check the system software update. If your system software up to date, it will okay. If not updated, you simply just go to the initialize PS4. But I'm just going to suggest you, if you initialize your PS4, your data will be deleted. If you don't want to delete your data, you simply go back and turn off your PlayStation 4 and go to the safe mode and rebuild the database. After rebuilding database, you get the option on your PlayStation 4 update system software, and you simply just up to date. If you want to update from the safe mode, you simply go to the safe mode, and there is a system software update with the internet and with the USB. You simply just update the system software, PlayStation 4 system software from the safe mode and from the menu. So simply that's how you can do it. If you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. If you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.